Anna, what are you doing over there?
I'm making tea. Why? Are you spying on me?
Maybe. Or maybe I just want some tea.
Do you want a cup?
Yes, but please, less sugar this time.
Oh, I remember. You always complain about too much sugar.
Wow, you remember that?
Of course, I remember everything.
That sounds a little scary.
Relax, I only remember the good things, mostly.
Hey, can I borrow your phone for a minute?
My phone? Why?
I need to make an urgent call. Mine is dead.
Oh, okay. It's in the kitchen. I'll get it.
Please hurry. It's important.
You worry too much. Here, take it.
Thanks.
Wait, there's a message on my phone.
Really? From who?
It's from your mom.
My mom? What does it say?
She says she's coming here today.
Today? You're kidding.
Nope. Look for yourself.
Oh, wow. She didn't tell me anything.
Maybe she wanted to surprise you.
Yeah, that sounds like her.
When is she arriving?
Around 5 p.m.
That means we don't have much time.
Then we need to prepare something special.
What does your mom like to eat?
Homemade food, always.
Okay. Favorite dish?
Vegetable pasta and spicy noodles.
I can cook noodles.
You? Since when?
Since YouTube became my teacher.
That sounds dangerous.
Hey, I'm not that bad.
All right, I trust you.
We should clean the living room too.
Yes, and change the table cover.
And maybe buy flowers.
Perfect idea. She loves roses, right?
Red roses. Always red.
Got it. I'll go to the market.
And I'll start cooking.
Today is going to be special.
I can't wait to see her.
Wait, who's at the door?
I'll check. Oh, wow, it's my mom.
What? Already?
Yes, she arrived early.
Oh no, we're not ready.
Relax, just smile.
Easy for you to say.
Come in, Mom.
We were still preparing.
We wanted to surprise you.
Yeah, but now we are the ones surprised. I'm back.
Come here. I have a surprise.
Another one?
My mom is already here.
What? Already?
Yes, 1 hour early.
Oh no, I wanted everything to be perfect.
Don't worry, she's happy.
I even bought flowers for her.
That's sweet. She'll love them.
So, what are we cooking tonight?
Vegetable pasta and spicy noodles.
Spicy? That sounds dangerous.
Trust me.
That's exactly what worries me. Okay, Chef Anna, what should I do?
Cut these vegetables carefully.
I am always careful.
That's not true.
Hey, that was one accident.
You broke a glass.
I was nervous.
Add some chili.
This much?
Yes.
That looks like a bad idea.
Trust the chef.
My mouth is already burning.
You're so dramatic.
Okay, let's try the noodles.
You first.
Why me?
Because you doubted me.
Fine, here goes nothing. Oh, wow!
Is it good?
It's very spicy.
Oh no, really?
My mouth is on fire.
Wait, drink water.
That was intense.
I'm so sorry.
You added too much chili.
It was an accident.
Let me try the pasta. Oh, this is perfect.
Really?
Yes, much better.
Thank goodness. I'll try the noodles too. Oh, wow.
What happened?
My mouth is burning too.
Now you understand. Next time, less chili.
Much less chili.
Deal.
But honestly,
Yeah?
today was special.
It really was.
Even with the spicy disaster.
Especially because of it. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, but my mouth is still burning from last night.
You survived the spicy noodles. Be proud.
Barely.
Today is a new day. No spicy disasters.
That sounds like a safe plan.
My mom is ready. We should go.
Where are we going first?
The local market. She loves it.
Markets and spending money. Dangerous combination.
Relax. We're just looking.
Nobody ever just looks.
Wow, look at these handmade bags.
They look expensive.
Everything looks expensive to you.
Because everything is expensive.
Oh, these earrings are beautiful.
Please don't say I need them.
I need them.
Of course you do.
Do you like them?
I like saving money.
You are impossible.
Okay, fine. They look nice.
That means you love them.
That's not what I said.
This park is so peaceful.
Yes, finally something free.
Not everything is about money.
It is when you go shopping.
Look at the river.
It's beautiful.
Let's sit here for a moment.
Good idea. I need a break.
Today feels special.
Yeah, simple but nice.
That's what makes it perfect. Evening. Viewpoint. Wow, look at the sunset.
That is amazing.
I knew you would like it.
You were right.
Thank you for today.
Thank you. Even with the shopping.
You survived that too.
I'm stronger than I look. David, why are you smiling like that?
No reason.
That's suspicious.
Maybe I have a surprise.
Another one? Should I be worried?
Relax. It's a good surprise.
That's what you said about the noodles.
Hey, that was different. Close your eyes.
I don't trust this.
Just do it.
Fine, my eyes are closed.
Don't open them.
I'm already nervous.
Okay, now open them.
Wait, what is this?
Happy birthday!
My birthday? I forgot.
I know. That's why I planned everything.
Wow, this cake looks amazing.
I made it myself.
Should I be scared?
Very funny.